Hi guys, let's take a look at this. Does this look familiar? This is from my YouTube Studio app. Let's take a look at the next one. This is an email from YouTube. Does this look familiar? What about the next email? What about this one? This is from Adsense. Does this look familiar? So guys, you're familiar with those emails and notifications, then you're watching the right video, because I believe that your Adsense account must have been disapproved by YouTube during the process of your application for YouTube monetization. So guys, I'm going to be showing you the cause of this problem, and I'm going to be showing you guys how you can fix this problem, how you can fix your disapproved Adsense account. So guys, want to know how to do it, want to know more, make sure you follow me to the end of this video. And also, if you're new to our YouTube channel, don't forget to like, subscribe and leave a comment, as that will tremendously help grow our YouTube channel. So guys, without any further ado, let's get started. So guys, for you to be able to get the solution to your problem, you must first of all find the cause of the problem. So guys, we're going to begin this video today with getting to know the cause of this problem, the cause of the problem why our Adsense account was disapproved during the process of our YouTube monetization application. So guys, for us to find out the cause of this problem, we must first of all look into the emails that were sent to us by YouTube and also Google Adsense. So guys, let's go over to the email right away. So guys, now you can see I'm on my Gmail account. This is the email that I received from Google Adsense. Let me get to read it. Your Adsense application status. Your application status. Thank you for your interest in Adsense. After reviewing your application, our specialists have found that it doesn't meet our program criteria. Therefore, we are unable to accept you into our program. Let me scroll downward to continue reading. Our Adsense program policies are designed to ensure the effectiveness of Google Ads for our publisher as well as our advertisers. We review all publishers and we reserve the right to decline any application. If you are able to make changes to meet our program criteria, you may reapply for Adsense in the future. Please note that we may not be able to respond to inquiries regarding the specific reasons for our decision. Thank you for understanding. So guys, you can see in this email here, they are not stating the reason why they actually took the decision to disapprove our Adsense account. You can see here, they are not giving us the reason. But let's go over to the email that was sent to us by YouTube to see if they might state the reason why our Adsense account wasn't approved or why it was declined. So guys, let's go over to the email now sent to us by YouTube. Let's go over to the email right away. Wow guys, you can see this is the email that was sent to us by YouTube. Let me get to read the subject of the email. Action required. An active Adsense account is needed to monetize on YouTube. So guys, let me go ahead now to read the content of the email. So guys, you can see, hi Phone Mobile, you may have recently received an email from Adsense about your account status. Without an Adsense account, you cannot monetize on YouTube. Search your inbox for emails from Adsense to find out what went wrong. Instructions to set up your Adsense account can be found here. So guys, if you tap on that highlighted word there, you can see it here, the arrow is pointing at it. Once you tap on it, you'll be able to see the instructions on how you can set up your Adsense account. So guys, let's continue reading. Common issues include 1. Duplicated account. You can only have one Adsense account. If you are found to have a duplicate account, you have to decide whether to use your existing account to monetize your channel or to cancel it. So guys, let's go over to the second issue, which is website issue. To monetize a YouTube channel, you will need to complete your Adsense sign up directly from YouTube Studio. Do not create a new account from Adsense website using a URL unless you intend to monetize that site. So guys, let's continue. The Adsense approval and association process take up to several days from the YouTube team. So guys, you can see right here now the two possible problems why they actually disapproved our Adsense account has been stated there. The first one is duplicate account. So guys, you might be having a duplicate account without knowing. You can only have one Adsense account. So guys, you can't create multiple accounts on Adsense. So guys, if you have multiple accounts, if you have a duplicate account, if you have created an Adsense account before, maybe knowingly or unknowingly, you won't be accepted into the YouTube monetization platform. So guys, you have to make sure that you don't have a duplicate account. So guys, if YouTube or Google Adsense finds out that you have a duplicate account, you will not be allowed to monetize your YouTube channel. So guys, you have to decide whether you're going to continue using your already existing Google Adsense account or to cancel it. You have to decide between these two. So guys, can see what the second issue might be, which is website issue. So guys, once you are applying for your YouTube monetization, you must make sure you sign up for Google Adsense on your YouTube studio. Don't sign up for Adsense using the Google Adsense website if you're trying to apply for YouTube monetization. Make sure you apply and sign up for Google Adsense from your YouTube studio app or your YouTube studio web. So guys, that being said, let me show you guys how you can actually get solution for these problems. So if Google Adsense and YouTube is saying that you have a duplicate account, that means you must have created multiple Google accounts. Maybe you have multiple Google accounts in your phone. You can only create one Adsense account for yourself. You can't create different Adsense account for yourself using different Google accounts. You can't create an Adsense account using a Google account and then create another Adsense account using another Google account. It's not going to work that way. That's against the Adsense policy. The Adsense policy only allows one Adsense account per publisher or per person. So there is no room for duplicate accounts or multiple Adsense accounts. So guys, if Google Adsense is saying that you have a duplicate account, that means the multiple Google accounts that you have in your phone, you must have used it to create a Google Adsense without you knowing. So guys, if Google Adsense is saying that you have a duplicate account, that means the series or the multiple Google accounts that you have in your phone, you must have used it to create a Google Adsense with or without your knowledge. You might have done it knowingly or unknowingly. So guys, what you have to do now to get solution to this problem is to go through all your Google accounts. If you have 10 Google accounts, you have to go through the 10 Google accounts to see if those Google accounts has been created Adsense account for. You have to check if you've signed up for Google Adsense using those Google accounts. It's very possible that you've used your multiple Google accounts to create Adsense accounts to sign up for Adsense. You might have done it with your knowledge or without your knowledge. So guys, what you have to do right away now is to go over those Google accounts and see if you've signed up for Google Adsense using those Google accounts. You have to check if you've created an Adsense account using those multiple accounts. So you have to check for Google account 1, Google account 2, Google account 3 to see if you've actually created an Adsense account with those Google accounts. So guys, what you have to do now is to make sure that you have all your Google accounts added to your phone. If you have 10 Google accounts, if you've created 10 Google accounts, let's say for example, you've created 10 Google accounts in your phone or you've created 10 Google accounts in your laptop, make sure that you have those 10 Google accounts added to your phone. Make sure you can see all of them in your phone. Maybe if it's an old account, just make sure you add it to your phone right now. Just make sure that you have all the Google accounts that you've created right before you. Just make sure you can remember them so that we're going to check if actually we've created a Google Adsense account with those Google accounts. So guys, let me go ahead now to tell you how you can find out if actually you've created an Adsense account using a Google account. What you have to do now, the easiest way for you to actually find that is to check your mails. So check your emails, check the emails under those Google accounts. You have to go over to your Gmail account under those Google accounts to check if actually Adsense have sent you a message or an email. If you have actually created an Adsense account before using any Google account, Adsense must have sent you an email. So guys, shortly I'm going to be showing you guys how you can actually find out if actually the Google accounts that you have in your phone have been created Adsense account for. So guys, the way to do it is to go over to the Gmail of those Google accounts to check for emails from Google Adsense. So guys, once you get to your Gmail, what you have to search for is Adsense. You can search for Adsense or you can just search for Google Adsense. So guys, let me go over to my Gmail app now to show you guys how it's done. Let me go over to my Gmail app. Let me tap on my Gmail app right away. So guys, you can see I'm in my Gmail app now. So guys, for you to actually see all the Google accounts that you have in your phone, all the Google account that has been added in your phone, what you have to do is to tap on the Google icon there. You can see the Google icon at the top right corner, the arrow is pointing at it. So let me tap on it. So guys, now you can see all the Google account that I have created, all the Google account that I've added to this phone. So guys, what you have to do now for you to actually check if Adsense account has been created for any of these Google accounts, what you have to do is to select that Google account. Let's say this first Google account right here. If I want to check if Adsense account has been created for it, what I have to do is to tap on it so I can open the Gmail account of that Google account. So I will see the mails. So let me tap on it now. So guys, now you can see I've logged in into the Gmail account of that Google account. You can see it, you can see it there. So guys, now the next step to take now is to search for Google Adsense, or you can just search for Adsense. So guys, now for you to do that, you have to tap on the search icon there. You can see where it is written search emails. So let me tap on it right away. You can see that at the top the arrow is pointing at it. So guys, what you have to do right away now is to search for AdSense or search for Google AdSense. So let me search for Google AdSense. Let me just search for Google AdSense. Let me search for enter. Wow guys, so guys, you can see the result of my search. As you can see here, Google AdSense has actually sent me a mail, which means I've actually created the Google AdSense account using this Google account. So guys can see it. So let me tap on one of it. So you see it. Let me tap on this one here. So guys, now you can see it. Google AdSense, one of your payment accounts was cancelled. So guys, now you can see that I've actually created a Google AdSense account using that Google account, using this Google account. You can see it. So guys, this to confirm that this Google account has been created, Google AdSense account for. So guys, now what you have to do now is to go ahead to cancel the Google AdSense account of this particular Google account. So guys, now you can see that we've been able to confirm that this Google account actually has been created, Google AdSense account for. So guys, let me go ahead now to choose another Google account to see what the result will be like. Let me choose another Google account right away. Let me choose this one right here. So guys, now you can see I've selected another Google account. So let me go ahead now to search for Google AdSense to see if actually I've created an AdSense account using this Google account. So let me tap on it and let me search for Google AdSense. Let me search for Google AdSense. So guys, now you can see there is no result for my search. There is actually no email from Google AdSense, which means that I've not created a Google AdSense account using this Google account. So guys, now you can see how you can actually find out if actually you've created an AdSense account with any Google account. The way to find out is to check the mails under those Google accounts. So guys, after you've successfully find out all the Google accounts you've created AdSense account for, the next step to take now is to cancel those AdSense accounts. You can see right there what is written under the duplicate account. Let me read it. It said you can only have one AdSense account. So if you found out that you've created multiple AdSense accounts using your numerous Google accounts, what you have to do right away now is to cancel it. So let me go ahead now to continue reading. They say if you are found to have a duplicate account, you have to decide whether to use your existing account to monetize your channel or to cancel it. So guys, there are two ways to go about this. It's either you are closing or cancelling your already existing AdSense account and using the new one that you created or signed up for when you were applying for your monetization of your YouTube channel, or you use your already existing Google AdSense account and then cancel the new one that you created when you were applying for your monetization of your YouTube channel. So guys, these two ways will work. Any of the ways that you choose will work perfectly fine, but the one that I used that worked for me was to actually cancel the new one and use my already existing AdSense account. That one worked for me. But if you use the new AdSense account that you signed up for when you were monetizing for your YouTube channel, it's also going to work out right. So guys, whichever method that you want to use is going to work out right. But the one that I used that worked for me personally was to actually cancel the new one, cancel the new AdSense account that I created when I was applying for my monetization, and then using my already existing AdSense account, my old AdSense account that I've created before I applied for my YouTube monetization. So guys, that's the one that worked for me. So guys, let me show you guys how you can do it exactly the way I did it. So guys, for you to be able to do that, you have to go over to your Google AdSense account. You have to sign in into your Google AdSense account, or you can simply go over to your YouTube Studio app, or you go over to your YouTube Studio web. Whichever one that you want to choose will work out perfectly fine. So guys, let me go over to my YouTube Studio right away to show you guys how it is done. So guys, now you can see I'm on my YouTube Studio app. So guys can see that the second step needs our attention. You can see what is written there: set up for Google AdSense. Your associated AdSense account was disapproved. This may be due to an existing account. So guys, now we need to fix that problem, and for you to do that, you have to fix it in your AdSense account. So guys, now the next step to take now towards closing an AdSense account, towards fixing this problem, is to tap on where it is written fixing AdSense. Once you tap on it now, it's going to direct you to your Google AdSense account. So guys, like I said, it's either you go over to your Google AdSense account by searching for googleadsense.com on your Chrome browser or any browser that you're using, or you can simply come over to your YouTube Studio app, then you tap on where it is written fixing AdSense. Whichever step or whichever process that you decide to take will work out fine. But I'm using YouTube Studio app in this tutorial, so let me tap on where it is written fixing AdSense. So let me tap on this right away. So guys, now you can see it's loading. Taking us to our Google AdSense account. Wow guys, can see it has logged us into our Google AdSense account. So guys can see here they have a message for us here. Let me get to read it. You can see what is written there: getting your AdSense account ready for YouTube. Your account wasn't approved. you need to fix some issues before you can use Adsense. So guys, the issue that we want to fix here now is actually duplicate account. You found out that you have 2 accounts, you found out that you have multiple Adsense accounts. We are going to be fixing this problem here by closing the new Adsense account that we actually created when we were applying for our YouTube monetization, and go ahead to use our already existing Adsense account. So guys, that's what we want to do. So guys, let's continue reading what is written here. You can see meet Adsense program policy. To earn on Adsense, you will need to meet the Adsense program policies. So guys, now the next step to take now is to tap on that unchecked box. You can see that unmarked box there. What you have to do now is to tap on it to mark it good, to confirm that you have actually met the program policy, the Adsense program policy. So guys, let me tap on it right away. So guys, now after you've marked the unmarked box, the next step that you have to take now is to tap on where it is written resubmit. You can see that box there, that blue box, the arrow is pointing at it. So let me tap on it right away. So guys, now the next step to take after that is to actually refresh this page, and for you to do that, you have to tap on the 3 dots at the top right corner. You can see where the arrow is pointing at it. Let me tap on it right away. So guys, after you tap on it now, the next step that you have to take now is to tap on where you see that refresh icon. You can see there the arrow is pointing at it. So let me tap on it. So guys can see it's refreshing. So guys, now after this now, the next step that you have to take now is to tap on the 3 horizontal bar at the top left corner. You can see there the arrow is pointing at it. So let me tap on it right away. So guys, the next step to take now is to tap on the second to the last option. You can see the arrow pointing at it is account. So let me tap on it right away. So guys, the next step now is to tap on settings. You can see the arrow pointing at it. So let me tap on it. So guys, the next step to take now is to tap on the account information. You can see the arrow pointing at it. So let me tap on it. So guys, the next step to take now is to tap on where it is written close account. You can see the arrow pointing at it. So let me tap on it. So guys, now the next step that you have to take now is to read through all of this. After you're done, what you have to do now is to tap on that unmarked box. You can see that unchecked box there, the arrow is pointing at it. So let me tap on it. So guys, after that now, what you have to do now is to tap on where it is written close my account. You can see the arrow pointing at it, that blue box. So let me tap on it right away. Wow guys, you can see now we've closed our Adsense account. You can see what is written there. Thanks for using Adsense for YouTube. You have successfully closed your account. So guys, after you successfully closed your Adsense account, the next important step, the next additional step that you can take is to actually close your payment profile. You can close your Google payment profile. So guys, for you to do that, you have to go over to your Chrome. Then you search for google.com. Let me go over to my Chrome to search for google.com. So guys, once you open up your Google Chrome browser, then you search for google.com. So let me search for it. So guys, after you search for google.com, the next step that you have to take now is to tap on your Google profile icon. You can see that at the top, the arrow is pointing at it. So let me tap on it. So guys, what you have to do right here now is to select the Google account of the Adsense account you just cancelled. The Google account of that Adsense account you cancelled, you have to select it. So guys, now the next step that you have to take now is to tap on manage your Google account. You can see there the arrow is pointing at it. So let me tap on it right away. So guys, now you can see I've logged in into the Google account. I want to go ahead now to manage this account. So guys, the next step to take now towards closing your Google payment profile is to swipe to the left and tap on payment and subscriptions. As you can see there at the top where the arrow is pointing, that's a slider. You can see you can slide to the left and to the right. What you have to do is to swipe to the left. Let me swipe to the left. So guys, now you can see where it is written payments and subscriptions. You have to tap on it. So let me tap on it right away. So guys, the next step that you have to take now is to tap on where you see manage payment methods. You can see there the arrow is pointing at it. So let me tap on it right away. So guys, the next step that you have to take now is to tap on the 3 horizontal bar at the top left corner. You can see the arrow is pointing at it. So guys, now you have to tap on settings. You can see the arrow pointing at it. So let me tap on it. So guys, the next step now is to scroll downwards. Let me scroll downwards. Let me keep scrolling. Then you tap on where you're going to see close payment profile. You can see there the arrow is pointing at it. So let me tap on it right away. So guys, over here you're going to be required to input the password of your Google account to be sure that the Google account actually belongs to you before you can go ahead to close the Google payment profile. So guys, let me go ahead now to put in my password. So guys, if you have the time, you can read through all of this, but let me scroll downwards. So guys, now what you have to do now is to choose why you're closing your payment profile. Tap on that drop down icon. You can see so many options here. Just choose one of it. So let me choose one of it. Let me choose this one here. I don't want Google to store my payment info. So guys, let me choose it. Then after you're done choosing one of the options, what you have to do right away now is to tap on where you can see continue below. You can see the arrow pointing at it. So let me tap on it right away. So guys, what you have to do right away now is to go ahead to read all of this. Once you're done, what you have to do right away now is to tap on where it is written close payments profile. You can see there the arrow is pointing at it. So let me tap on it right away. So guys, now you can see we've been able to successfully close our payment profile. Now we'll be able to do two things. We've been able to close our Adsense account and also our payment profile. So guys, now the next step now is to go over to our YouTube app or over to our YouTube web. What we have to do now is to associate our old Adsense account, our already existing Adsense account. What we have to do now is to associate it with our YouTube channel. And for you to do that now, what you have to do now is to tap on the option where it is written change account. You can see the arrow pointing at it. So let me tap on it right away. So guys, here you can see we have three options. The first one is yes, I have an Adsense account. The second one is no, I need to create one. The third one is I don't know. So guys, what you have to do now is to choose the first one. You have to choose the first one since you have an already existing Adsense account before you created the new one that we just cancelled a while ago. So guys, choose the first option. So guys, let me tap on the first option, which is yes, I have an Adsense account. So let me tap on it. So guys, after that, then you tap on next below. So guys, now you can see these are all the Google accounts that I have in my phone. So guys, what you have to do now is to select the Google account that you used in creating that your old Adsense account, that your previously existing Adsense account. Choose that account, choose the Google account. So guys, now let me go ahead now to choose the Google account that I used in creating my already existing Adsense account, the old account that I have. Let me go ahead now to choose the Google account. Wow guys, you can now see. So guys, this is the Google account. So guys, now what you have to do now is to scroll downwards. So let me scroll downwards. So guys, after scrolling downwards now, the next step that you have to take now is to tap on where it is written accept association. You can see where the arrow is pointing at. So let me tap on it right away. Wow guys, you can see we successfully linked our Adsense account to our YouTube channel. So guys, now you can see what is written there, redirecting us to YouTube. So guys, now you can see it's redirecting us to our YouTube Studio app. Wow guys, you can see now we're on our YouTube Studio app. You can see what is written there. The second step now is now written sign up for Google Adsense. Your Adsense account is being created or associated. This approval and association process usually takes several days, but in some cases it can take 2 to 3 weeks. So guys, now you can see it's now in progress. So guys, I've come to the end of this video. Now I've been able to show you guys how you can actually fix disapproved Adsense account for YouTube. So whenever you apply for YouTube monetization and your Adsense account is disapproved due to one issue or the other, this is how you can be able to fix the problem. So guys, I've come to the end of this video and I believe you got value from this. If you did, make sure you like, subscribe and leave a comment. And also if you're new to our YouTube channel, don't forget to hit the bell notification so that whenever I release a new video, you're gonna get notified. See you in the next upload. Bye bye, peace.